How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining me in the garage today. Today is just a quick tip, and as you can see, I spilled some oil in my garage, on my garage floor. Try and keep it as clean as I can, but sometimes you make mistakes and you have little accidents. So what we're going to do here is, first of all, I'm going to wipe up as much of the oil, soak up as much of the oil as I can with just a shop towel. And already, I'm just kind of dabbing it. Already it's looking a little bit better, but it's pretty obvious it's still there. So the secret ingredient, and this isn't going to get rid of it all, is sawdust. This tip I got from my dad when I was young, and he probably got it from his dad. So all you're going to do is put some sawdust on there, kind of work it in, and that sawdust is going to soak up the majority of that oil spill. And like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but it never is. Now, someone else had a tip that you can use gasoline. That might work, but I don't really want to be pouring gas on my garage floor. This is an attached garage, and I don't need any fumes going into the house. So next thing I'm going to do is just sweep all this up with a little dustpan and dust broom. And you get to that oil stain early, guys. Voila. Pretty much gone. You can't even really tell. So there's your quick tip today, guys. And if it helps you out, please hit the subscribe button. That helps me out, and we can help each other out. Until next time, guys, take care.